Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Durgaprasad Reddy, Head of Cardiac Sciences, Vydehi Hospital, Bangalore. TAPVC is at birth, we see, in infancy, child comes to us with cyanosis and severe PH. This is the only condition where child has a severe pulmonary artery hypertension, that is the lung pressures are very high, and also the child is cyanotic because there's a mixing of blood. So it is surgically you can correct TAPVC. What happens is TAPVC joins as a confluence and then drains into the right system. So we connect that confluence where all the four pulmonary veins are joined together into the left atrial appendage or into the left atrium. And cardiac TAPVC, we cut the coronary sinus back and put a patch. Little bit of desaturation will be there, but that is the best procedure what we follow. And similarly, inferior type of TAPVC also, we connect the TAPVC confluence into the left atrium. And we also, what we do is, once we anastomose the confluence into the left atrial appendage or into the left atrium, we close the ASD with a patch, and we also ligate the vertical veins.